Subscribe and press bell icon and never miss another update from Tweak Library.
If you've ever wished to start your own YouTube channel or create how-to videos or stream gameplay, instead of relying on DSLRs or high-end recording devices, try using screen recorder apps for Android. So without further ado, let's find out what these top apps have to offer so that you can make a decision on which one to go. On number 1, we have AZ Screen Recorder, which comes with the ability to create full HD videos along with the sound. You can even pause and resume while recording the videos. Unlike other free screen recorder apps for Android, it doesn't force a watermark on the recorded videos. Next on our list is Mobizen Screen Recorder that does much more than just being a free screen recorder app for Android. Mobizen comes with plenty of features like video editor, touch recording, countdown and face cam. As the name suggests, our third screen recording app Stream allows you to not only screencast your favorite videos but also watch and chat on live videos. You can even browse live streams created by users worldwide. Not many people know, but the popular service Google Play Games is not confined to just maintaining your gaming profiles, but it has a built-in screen recording function that lets you create personalized videos and other best game moments from your favorite mobile games. If your device is running Android 4.0, then this screen recorder is your best bet. Configured with all the essential screen recording capabilities, this mobile screen recorder with audio has an intuitive interface and can record for up to 1 hour duration. Super Screen Recorder is another professional screen recorder and screenshot app that has excellent video editing features as well as ability to create full HD videos. It supports portrait, landscape and auto screen record mode. You can even show the click operations in the screen recording with this app. The core function of all these screencasting apps is the ability to record Android screen, while some have additional features like camera recording, audio capture and some have built-in photo and video editor. The download links for all these apps are mentioned in the description section below, so you can try each one of them and know which works best for you. Till then, I'm Mansi sign off, but you stay tuned for our next videos and do not forget to like and share this video with your friends.